All right, it's Thursday, kids. Here we go. What is the product of 63 times 1,000? You can work this out the normal algorithm way. Or you can think to yourself, 1 times 63 is 63 with 3 zeros. Which expression shows how to find the quotient of 4.8 divided by 2? This is exactly what we looked at yesterday. So what this is really saying is 4 divided by 2 plus 8/10 divided by 2. So it's that first option right there. All right, find the product of, product means multiply, 1.508 times 0.7. Ignore the decimal points for right now. You don't need to worry about them. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Okay? Go and erase these or cross them out so you don't get confused. And then these are all going to zero out. Add them up. Okay? Now you're going to count how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, and 1. Add them together is 4. Start at the end of your whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay, cheese costs $4.20 per pound. If Miss Rivera spent $6.30 on cheese, how many pounds did she buy? So what it's basically asking you is to take $6.30 and divide it by $4.30. Now, you do this the exact same way that you would a normal thing. Just because it's money, it doesn't matter. So to make this a whole number, you're going to come over 2 spots. To make this a whole number, you're going to come over 2 spots. Okay? Now, 430 goes into 630 one time. 0, 0, 2. Hold on. Oh, it's because I wrote the problem wrong. Okay. One more time. This is 420 per pound. I knew it looked wrong. Okay. So, whether you keep the 0 is really up to you. You're still going to get the same answer. For clarity's sake, I'm going to keep it because I said whatever you do to the outside, you do to the inside. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to make a difference. So this goes in 1 time. Subtract. 0, 1, 2. Now, we're not going to leave a remainder for a decimal. We're going to figure it out. The way we do that is we're going to put a decimal point. We're going to bring our decimal point straight up. And then we're going to put a 0. Because 420 doesn't go into 210. But it does go into 2100. Right? So you need to take a guess at how many times you think it's going to go in there. I'm going to pick 5. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Boom. So how many pounds of cheese did she buy? If you dropped the 0, you would have gotten the same answer. It would have worked out the same way. So it doesn't matter. Because guess what? Doesn't change the value. All right, we're going to simplify the fraction. 15/50ths. So 15 fiftieths. Okay. Now think, what can I put into each of these? Well, it ends in a 5 and it ends in a 0, so that lets you know that you can divide both by 5. So 15 divided by 5 and 50 divided by 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 5 goes into 50 5 times. No. 5 goes into 5 one time. Sorry, making this very messy. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 0 0 times. So 5 goes into 50 10 times. So 3/10 will be your final answer. What is the quotient of 81 ninths? 81 ninths. Remember, fraction bars just mean division. So 9 goes into 81 how many times? 9 times. Easy peasy. What is the quotient, the division, of 4/7 and 2/3? Now I want you to remember, keep, right? Change, right? Flip. 3 2s. So 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. We can divide each of these in half to give us 6/7. We divided each by 2. I just didn't write it, because you guys know how to do that already. Alright, final, I think. This is our final, dealing with volume. This good old volume equals length times width times height. So for this, the length is 6 centimeters, the width is 3 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. So, we're going to do 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 4 is 72. So it's 72. Don't forget the units. Centimeters cubed. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. That's it for this week. See you next time.